Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World channel. Today's, we will show you new Gundam Plastic Models as release on June 2021. Gunpla lineup June 2021. For the GMK World Platinum Elite members, can download June Gunpla lineup catalog and June Gunpla lineup wallpaper from the members only post and community session. And the monthly premium Bandai lineup catalog will be available free for Platinum Elite members soon. RG1 144, Wing Gundam price, 3,520 yen, tax included. SDW HEROES Sasuke Delta Gundam. Price, 660 yen, tax included. SDW HEROES War Horse. Price, 550 yen, tax included. Full Mechanics 100, Calamity Gundam. Price, 5,500 yen, tax included. Finally, this is Gunpla lineup June 2021, release info by Bandai. For more information, go to https://bandai-hobby.net. Thanks for watching. For news and more information about Gundam Plastic Models kits, please subscribe our GMK World channel.